What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, if you haven't guessed it, we're going to be installing these seats. These are some seats that I actually picked up from a parts Jeep that I bought a while ago. I bought this Jeep mainly for the hardtop, and when I got it home, I realized that all the seats were matching, and you can even see that they got Jeep embroidered into them, so it looks real good. I like them, and for the most part, I'm happy because these seats actually recline and move forward, and my seats actually don't do that. For a lot of people who have YJs, if you haven't had it from day one, chances are the seats have been replaced, and there are a lot of other seats that fit in the place of the YJ. They have the same bolt pattern onto this bracket. For example, they come off of Cavaliers, Sunfires, I think PT Cruisers. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that the seats in mine came from a Cavalier. Now, there's people that have complained about putting original seats back in the Jeep, basically because of comfort. They say that they're not comfortable. I mean, we're riding on 4 leaf springs. How comfortable could it get? I mean, we're not buying a Wrangler from 95, in my case, for comfort. So I'm just happy that they look nice. They're in good shape. They're not the cleanest, but I can clean them. So that's not a big deal. Anyways, guys. You guys are actually set up right now exactly where, I'll show you right now. So basically, I just had the camera set up right here. And if you've been watching my videos the past few weeks, you know that there's supposed to be a Mustang right here. And that's why my Prelude is moved over here, because I had hopes to put the Mustang behind it. I know my hair is a little crazy, but I actually kind of like it. Very comfortable. It's a lot more hair than I'm used to having, but honestly, I like it. Anyways, guys, if you're wondering where the Mustang has been, I've been wondering the same thing. I was supposed to be here weeks ago. A couple plans fell through. I didn't exactly get what I wanted. I was having some communication issues. Anyways, couldn't get the Mustang. Thought I was going to get it. Anyways, I couldn't get the Mustang, thought I was going to get it, now I got to go a different route. So that's why I'm working on the Jeep and putting these seats in, just so I can keep the videos coming. I want to stay consistent. I'm trying to upload every week. And before I forget, actually, make sure you guys subscribe. Honestly, you just click a button, and that's it. You don't got to worry about nothing. And then you watch this video, you're going to love it because I'm in it. And you're going to click the like button, and then you're just going to wait. And a week from now, you're going to see, hey, I remember that guy. He did a nice video a week ago. Let me watch this video again, and I'm gonna pop up and you're gonna see this beautiful mug, and you're gonna be attracted to the video. You're gonna love what you see. And all joking aside, guys, I am gonna be posting every week, so if you are interested in what I'm doing, please show some love. Okay, anyways, guys, let's get back to the video. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing to get the old seats out and then put the new ones in. Alright, so these seat brackets, they originally had studs on them, so that when you dropped it on top of the floor pan, the studs would stick through the floor pan, and then you can put a nut on from underneath. And I found in my case, all the Jeeps that I've owned, all the studs, or most of them at least, have been cut off, and they just drill holes. They just put a nut and bolt instead of the studs. And that's the way I'm going to have to do it with these. You can see it's fairly simple. There's just 2 holes back there, and 2 holes over here. So I'm gonna go get the Jeep, pull it around, and then we'll get started. So you can see that this is a very common issue with the Cavalier seats. That's the mechanism. It used to be a big plastic thing here. It always breaks off these little tabs, but that's how you recline the seat. So these seats are just always in this position. Plus, I don't have one that matches in the back, and these are from a Cavalier. I want some Jeep seats. This is what I was talking about earlier. Like, I love how it says Jeep across there. I think it looks cool, and it matches this seat here. Now, they are a little bit dirty, but like I said, I'm just going to clean them up. That's all it takes. So let's get started by taking the old seats out. Okay, that took like no time at all. Now I want to see what they talk about. These seats are actually way more comfortable. What are they talking about? But the ultimate test. Yeah, I think it's going pretty good. Yep. I think it looks better, and it's gonna be more comfortable, and I can finally recline, and all three seats are gonna match. Now the back seat is super simple. There's these two brackets here, and then the seat just slides on. You just stop it with these washers and these pins, and then that's it. You can just pivot it up and down. I'm gonna go get the seat and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, so all you gotta do, you got a pin for each one and a washer for each one. You just take the seat, you line it up with both, and you slide it over, just like that. And then you put the washer and everything back on. And when you got those in, you can just pull it back, and there you go. Yeah, I really gotta clean those seats ASAP. And then the nice thing about these seats is, if you're wondering how you even get to the back seat, these ones I just found out right now that they're way better. They're greased up, better than the old one. But all you do is there's a lever down here, you pull it, the seat comes forward, then you get in, pull it back, and you're done. Alright guys, well there you go, all the seats are in, feels good. I mean, they've been sitting in my basement for quite some time, so it's nice to have them installed in the Jeep. The old one's out, and then I can focus on some other things now. I do got to worry about what I'm going to do for the Prelude, because the only thing holding me back right now is figuring out the front suspension, and that's what the Mustang was going to do. It was going to solve all my problems. I could take the Mustang front end and try to work it on this one. But right now I got to source another Mustang or some individual parts, whatever it may be. I got to figure something out so I can keep moving forward on the Prelude. Now, whether you're into this Jeep, whether you're into that Prelude that I'm going to be putting a V8 with rear wheel drive, or whether you're into just cars in general, the content that I'm going to have on this channel is going to be a wide variety of stuff. It's all going to be related with cars. I know my name is Lifted Wrangler, but that's just because the Jeep started it all. I love cars in general. Whatever you got, that's what I love. My father-in-law's got a 69 Z28 Camaro, so he's working on that. So that's going to be something that's coming up soon that we're going to be, I'll take you guys over there so we can take a look at that. But we got some pretty exciting stuff. Make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, do whatever you got to do to make sure that you're up to date with all my videos when they come out. And you won't be disappointed, I promise. Alright guys, anyways, we'll see you on the next one, and have a good one.